Yo, Chef Young better than everything we're bad, and we madder than everything we're mad. Next setups represent for Chef Young. Straight, you know the badness. Boom. You know.
Hey, I'm here say, Chef Young Media.
Chef Young Media.
Them all can represent for Chef Young. If you now watch Chef Young thing, you now watch not hear that. Them all can say that. Oh no.
Yeah, this is Lucian the Messenger giving a big shout out to Chef Young Media, keeping the people educated and entertained with music and visual messengers. Alright.
Chef Young, we born poor but we not dead poor. They are Toronto with 3 bad. Me say me they are. Whoa. You know this time I'm drunk right now. Chef Young, big up yourself, you know.
Yo, Chef Young, you know the badness going on, man. The maddest and the sickest, you know. London.
Man, them want dance and can't dance. All cuts. Every fortnight out, every Ravers out. Every fortnight out, every Ravers out. Ready go! Tonight. When you get them out where the good some of them there. When you get them on the good people them there. When you get them on the good shape them there. With the good ear them there. With the good shoes them there. Play it again there. Good thing there. The good thing there. Hi. The good thing there. Run us away with the good thing there. The good girl with the good ear there. The good girl with the good shape there. The good girl with the good look there. The good girl with the good kids there. Hey, and one thing, them say, if we spend as much time we want on the stage tonight. Tonight we're going to enjoy ourselves. Toronto, Jamaicans, what on there? The Jamaicans there? What on there? Me no see no Jamaican flag yet. No Jamaicans there? They're not playing a song yet. Me have a test if Jamaicans there. Who no follow me after this? Eternal. Sing louder! So the biggest part I know. Play that, play. The good thing there. Hi, the good thing there. Boy, the good thing there. Aye, the good thing. When we do run, we have to wear the good thing there. The good clothes and the good shoes there. Good chain and the good ring. I want to shop in at the mall and the good store. See the car when we drive and the good car there. Now chicken that does the good car there. Pretty face with the good shape. I mean I want bush with it that does the good job. Yes. How much is the girls on here now? Everybody we are girls. Ravers are girls. Big mama girls. Shine the light man, crew, wicked light man. I like that. No Linda. 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 That's one that got the good thing on you. Sway. 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 And we have, so we have. If you want me to be the man of the when everyone in the middle feel it a chance. We have, who has, know that. Fear it. Everybody go.
Friend, but a bad mind, we don't want no friendship from them. Sing again now. Happiness. Whoa. We don't have no mistress. Dance me a dance and I enjoy myself. If you want to say that,
I have my house and I have my car. I have my drink and I have my bar. I have my peace and I don't want war. I have my riches. I got my money. I got my girl. Got my diamonds. I got my pearl. Got my things and I got my wings. Everybody sing. Everybody sing. Whoa. In here.
wanna feel friend, but a bad mind, we don't want no friendship from them.
Sing again now. That boy chill. Come here some big nose straight. See them now. Hey, chill the river. Stir fry. Stir fry. So much you go there. Stir fry. Hold on there. People,
Go for them too.
I say me come here to enjoy myself in Toronto. You know, long me not fall over here them big stage show here. Now good girl not there we can dance stir fry better than it. Come here, skinny. Skinny slimmers, come here. Where you run now? Come here. Skinny slimmers. Alright, come here. Jump the fence. You look like someone who come from the Valley. Come here. Jump the fence. Where you go? You can't jump fence. You can't jump fence, mama. Jump fence. Say jump this, yeah? Jump the fence, jump this. Jump me see what I go on now. Security, Lord, them are my people, them here. And my people, them see. Hey, hey, push over. All is someone there. Empire. Put over 1 foot first. Make it. Hey, she jump fence regularly. Jump this! Big up the jump this, girl, jump fence. Yeah. Goods, come here, son now. Yeah. Come here, son, goods. Put on that and come here, son now. Come on, see if you can do the dance every time the boy cheer you. Please sing again now, Factor.
Happiness. Whoa. We don't have no witches. Wanna feel friend, but a bad mind. We don't want no friendship from them. Sing again now. Happiness. Whoa. We don't have no witches. Dance me a dance and I enjoy myself. If you want to say you
I have my house and I have my car. I have my drink and I have my bar. I have my peace and I don't want war. I have my riches. I got my money. I got my girl. Got my diamonds. I got my pearl. Got my things and I got my wings. What is this? What everybody sing? Boy.
We don't have no witches. Wanna feel friend, but a bad mind. We don't want no friendship.
Let him go. Hey! Hey! Toronto! I'm coming out with a mad set. But I'm going to change up my set tonight. Come here and get everybody involved. Dad! Hey! Share that night crowd. Share that night crowd. Turn that night crowd. Let me see what one night crowd. Jamaica, how we this? Jamaica, how we this? Nobody there from Mobile? The whole of Chinane? St. Anne's, the one I watch it, Clarendon people there. Oh, Clarendon people say no for foreign. Clarendon people there. Kingston people there. Kingston people there. Kingston people there. Kingston people there. Jamaica there. The immigration she there. Cause she said, hey, Ding Dong, I love you. I'ma say, Moms, you know me? She said, yes. Ding Dong, can I get a picture with you? I'ma say, sure, Moms. Yes, when she do that, nobody in the airport not chat to me. Me and the whole of my friend them walk through the airport. At Jamaica where I come from, them no check with suitcase, them no check with pouch, them no check with bag. All who proud fit be Jamaican and travel come and do. Hey, watch us, we up. You see if your food big, sit down on the chair right there, so. Oi! Stop it! Stop it! Today when I do sound check, I fed up on them white chair. I eat them like pies. Me no like sit chair, now I'm gonna go perform. Watch out now. Everybody with the over that section, yeah? If you're not there, so now, I want to stand up, I want to now sit down, take up the white chair and fold it up. Please. Fold it. Me no like see. Mommy will look like Bamsi.
You see that man over there in the white shirt?
And the man in the white hat.
You're 23 and you're going like you're 76. Big all you. Full of the white children.
Yeah.
Full of the white children. I don't want to see them. Me hate them white children. Me hate them. Promoter. Big up on yourself, me love you know. You see the fence on the right there, so? Me hate the fence part of. Me just have to talk me mind. You see me? I am for the people, and the people is for me. Like God is good all the time, and all the time God is good. Play next song then. I've seen nothing before. Make sure 2 another year. You see if you're 2 and down another year, me understand. You're there from 12 o'clock today, the roll and wear out, and if you put 2 another year, the person beside you are going to faint. Me not green, so me 2 another year. The police themselves must come off a stage. The promoter said, me have to come off a stage. I can't go home now. You can't get me out now. Say no! Say no! Say no, no, no! No, no, no! Say no, no! No, no! No, no, no! No, no, no! You know where I'm not going nowhere?
Ravers, we're taking over! Have a show, it's time to party there. Have the party, so tell love there. Have the MC, we gonna have a split. Yes, ma, what you talk the kid up on the extent. One of my team, they used to show the one of your friend. Matalana sing out to me, send it back to something. While everybody is shot, you never say what it again. So what you want? Keep it ready with it. Sing you want to left to right and when it's like a man there. Be them like when we be on me and me not like from the ground.
Come here. What is wrong? Come here, baby. Come here. She just a look. Don't scare her. Look out there. Look for mommy. Call mommy. Call mommy. What's mommy name? Call mommy name. Say mommy. Say mommy. Say mommy. Come here. Say a little louder. Say mommy. Come here, mom. Mom. Mommy. Get that hey. That video name. Video little girl there. Everybody took on them phone light. On video. No, it's good. You can't do it? You can't do it? Now with children? Hold on, let me see. One with her. Good. Mommy T, forward a side stage for her. Look here now, my police friend. You see a Jamaica? The Prime Minister named Andrew Holness. You see me? Them say ding dong. You can do anything at all you want up on the stage. Cause you sang them clean and nice and I feel everybody. I'm gonna say good God. God of grace. God is good all the time. Hold on there. You know, some never know some about gospel people there. God is good all the time. Hold on there. Never test me DJ. Never see if I want bad DJ. God is good all the time. Then play one gospel song for me, please and thanks. Play one gospel song for me there. Please and thanks. Wicked scrap. What is song singing about? Never. I want thing God tell me. Watch everybody where they run here. Cause some people they run here are wicked. Some people running are real. You see, God is a powerful God. But you see when he buck up in a wicked, he behind them wide open. Me never see God sleep yet. Me never see God lock him here yet. So that's why me sing that song here. Watch them. Watch them. Watch them. Watch them. Well, it's a nice sunny evening, the cool afternoon. Nobody has to work, no, nobody goes to school. Sit up on the corner, joke around and act the fool. The yellow slave, coming home, set the straight pool. I'm not college, but I'm going to the beach. Yeah. Money in my pocket, so I know I have to reach. Call a couple girls and I'm telling ready again. Ready again. When it's a holiday. Why you walk like Beyonce and Rihanna and not fire? Why you walk among them? When every girl is getting slim, married to your slim. Yeah, be on me, so my body people match. They don't want to win a line now. They don't want them match. We clean up, because they don't want to. When it comes in at the trouble and the woman never. We need to hear that the boot play. God is one down. The woman for the ladies, and the for the top. The ladies are screaming, when it's a holiday.
We got to go. Everybody know what they done. Run this country. People love the way rivers dance and you know dance. Everybody give me at the party. Girl, I touch everybody. Oh no! Everywhere they dance and rivers go. Place mash up, you know. Place mash up, you know. Everybody catch this. Right here, come catch this. Right here, everybody catch this. Right here, come catch this. In here. What are they? Chicken and beer. Come here. Intro the song of favorite chicken and beer. Play next one. Peel over this. I think that we're not getting no breathing space. Enter Canada. And the guest boss, chicken and beer. And guess what? Yes, come on. Everybody jump. Yes. We're gonna get some. 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 Everybody go. Go out with you. With I4. I'm gonna mash up here. What on there? Big up to everybody with here. Tomorrow night, me there again. I'm the one that see anything there tomorrow night. It's a tomorrow night, put the chair them early and move them late. It's a tomorrow night and the last night. You see that fence over the right there, so tear it down. Come here with madness. Me now go overdress myself. Me go wear one little light something. Come me want jump in the crowd and go on myself for the people. My ladies over there, so me come take a one picture with you now. Click, photo. Over there, so click, photo. Right there, so click. Photo. Right there, so click, photo. Right there, so click, photo. Everybody. Play it again. Everyone chicken on beer. I'm gonna do this. Hey, peel over face. Let him go. Hey, don't tell him. I should have given him his face. And the guest boss, chicken and beer. And guess what? Guess them up. Ding dong. It's good to guess up. Everybody know. Yes. We gotta get to the some ravers on the stage. We have to show us some ravers on the stage. Watch a medley, yeah. You have a little youth. He my body stick. He about 16-year-old. And about 17. His mother never give him full birth paper. He named Dante Ravers. Watch some boy you know. Every phone light. Let him go.
I can't go home now. I can't go home now. Hey, we got Miss Master Griffiths. We got Miss Master Griffiths. See? Now big up yourself. Massacre, big up yourself. Big man was some of them told. See that? To all me love, you know, I tell them, say, if you don't have a double night, I'm here for the night. Okay? You say tomorrow, it name VIP area for share.
And the last night they can share.
And the last night they can share.
Big up the barrier.
Hold on there. VIP. Don't make the masses of people here to know. If you want to say share, they must be share. VIP, you want to say share? You want to say share? Say tomorrow night, me no want to see the fence in the right there, so. And me no want to see the bag of chair. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay? Fling. You know a girl like Cola can dance, bro. You know a woman like Cola can dance. Goods, come on, man. I want two goods on the stage with me. Look at me, cover the weave and the braid. Come. The two wanna come. Aye.
Jump the fence.
Come the goods. Get on past one, I say. Shower and dress. She can't jump the fence. Security, see her? See her there? And the two color here.
Skip around.
Yeah, she look like Sierra.
Skip around.
Bring her around. Bring her around. She look like Sierra. Security, that's her. Yes, I said so. Ding dong. I'm the president for Toronto, Canada. It's not Drake anymore. It's me. Everybody say ding dong. Say ding dong. Hey, promoter. If you keep the event and ding dong my book feet, nobody now come. And that me I tell you. I have to pay my bigger money. Oh, my son. All who send one barrel got Jamaica one another year. All who send one suitcase got Jamaica already one another year. All who use Western Union for got Jamaica one another year. All who have family at Jamaica one another year. All who not afraid to promote the islands, the Caribbeans one another year. Come here, goods. You look good. I like you look at yellow bag. You go, you look at denim jeans stuff. And the black. I like the earring. The earring remind me of Negril and Mobile in a one. It remind me of one of the Sandals Resort. You understand? Come here, goods.
Let's go to Ochi.
You have husband? I see the ring by your finger. Your husband there? Him not there? What a good husband. No! The husband safe. Him not jealous. Him not controlling. Him not insecure. Your husband a Jamaican. And him not insecure. And him not jealous. Macaelian. A bad boy you there with. You can't ramp with him. Come here, I didn't even come near to you because I didn't even want him video and say the boy ding dong there. You say close it up to me, woman. People, them respect you because of the community where you come from. If you come from Nannyville, or Tivoli Garden, or Matches Lane, Tower Hill, Backbush, Spanish Town, Rockabessa, CLM, 3 Mile, them now go look your woman. So if you live at the joke ghetto them, move God the bossy ghetto with me. Come here, goods. Me now going nowhere near you. No dance and I go nowhere near her. She alone a dance. Play a flick at Toronto. At the Toronto Pearl. Where you come from, goods? Not Jamaica. Where you live, goods? Come here, Goods.
I'm matey bag here.
No, come here, Goods. With matey bag. Hey, man, matey bag. Come here, where you live? You live in Toronto? St. Vincent, okay. She's from St. Vincent, my people. Yeah. Jamaican man not play with nobody. Look here now. Oh, your husband is from Jamaica? I like that woman I see, man. I like her. Your husband are from Jamaica? Which part of Jamaica come from? Clarendon? Bad people place, Father's King. You know what's up with that? Hey! Chicken and beer. Go there, we go there, sir. Come here, sir. Chicken and beer. I don't want no dancer, but nowhere near too close to them. Because I'm not able. Look in front of the crowd. Me and stand up with them. Come on, son, and so round and round and so. We are support them. We are your supportive dancers. Right now, you name Rebel. Oh, you are Rebel. So you name Rebel, and who you name? You follow she?
Pretty.
No, you're Rebel. What you know now? You're Rebel, and she a Disha. Ready now? Let's go. Let's go. See it now, friend and dance. Ready, friend. And shoulder beer. Fling it shoulder beer, Tiba. Fling it shoulder beer, Tiba. Fling it. So let's go. Fling. And the shoulder beer, fling. Oh, then the shoulder beer, fling. What you want to speak and dance with the white man. Fling. And shoulder beer, fling. You have a chain, bring play. That mind is a thing. You want it to wear. Dancers, you live good. If you find that you're picking up the pillar, don't bad mind. See you in the quarter now. Rebel and Nisha. Everybody know. Hold them. Level. If you don't know the dance is this song, when you don't do with a Jamaican man. If you don't know how to dance with this next song, when you don't do with a Jamaican man. Me and a me. Listen to me now. Come here now. Come here, son. Me sleeping on the global dance over dope and the girl come a wine out for me. Me start to ball back for this one. And now she want climb up on me. He kinda little tricky but me have to check the game. Dirty one, my girl, dirty one. People, them say I'm come off on the stage now. The police them are cause the time, I go over the time. The police them say I go over the time. I'm going to come off on the stage. I'm going to do so tomorrow again. I'm going to have a different setup. See? So tomorrow, meet me and start getting the same energy. My love on the year, see that. Ravers, up in them tongue. Love and love alone. Give it up for Ding Dong! Give it up for Ding Dong and the Ravers!
What? Yeah, I'm not thief one.
You know what?
They could thief for one song and Steve Road and no one.
Alright, so we're at the house of Jerk. As you can see what I'm going to say, see the line? See the line? Yeah? Good food. What are we going to say? Watch out. Festival and Jerk chicken. Special sauce and thing. Oxtail. Pork. Rice and beans. Get the right plant and thing, you understand? See that? Look nice. Also Jerk. See big chef here, you know? Tell them what I'm going to do.
Outside Jerk.
Outside Jerk, top chef.
JerkFest.
You see me?
Mad. See it.
2024.
2024, you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Man.
You know, so
I watch you going on PS3 now, watch you.
I mean, man, put them on. What you mean?
I put it, right?
Yeah, man, I put them on. Put it up.
Hold on there. Look how I'm going, yourself. So I put them look nice, okay. See? You see it? Big top chef them.
Now to them, Krista. Shout out to first class.